A system is simply something where you have multiple parts that interact with each other. A self-organizing system is where those interactions actually make changes in the system to make the system stronger. And this happens without relying on someone at the center telling everyone what to do. An example is how ants will band their bodies together to create a bridge so they can cross gaps between surfaces. They're self-organizing here. There's no royal ant telling them all to do it. Instead, they interact and coordinate with each other, creating a structure that serves the whole group of ants. At ATT, we're trying to organize in a way that imitates self-organizing systems. This doesn't just mean anyone is invited to do literally anything they want. That's a common misconception people often think of when they hear of self-organizing. The overall system, Animal Think Tank, has a purpose. ATT's different parts within that system have their own purpose that feed into the broader system's purpose. In self-organizing, we're asked to take action to serve a particular purpose, but we're invited to choose what those actions are based on how we understand the situation. In self-organizing, we still coordinate, and we still need to take direction based on what the larger system is trying to do. But rather than all the decisions happening at the top, creating lots of bureaucracy and slowing things down, we push decisions as much as we can to the people who are in the best position to make sense of those decisions. So why are we doing self-organizing? There's kind of three reasons, all at different levels. Firstly, there's the movement level. One of the key ways social movements succeed is by self-organizing, which lets them adapt quickly to new challenges and bounce back from adversity. If we want the social movement we're building to self-organize, we need to model it ourselves here at ATT. The second reason is more about Animal Think Tank as an organization. We want to be resilient and adaptable, and we're operating in a complex world where things are unpredictable and things can happen quickly. When our roles and our teams have freedom to respond to the problems and opportunities they see, then we'll be able to respond more quickly as an organization, and we can dynamically change our ways of doing things so that the system as a whole will be stronger. The third reason is more at a personal level. We want Animal Think Tank to be a place where people can thrive, where they can realize their creative potential and make a lasting contribution. And that means giving people enough freedom to approach our mission in a way that feels true to them. Hopefully you now have a basic understanding of what self-organizing is and why we choose to organize this way.